Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to draw realistic hair. Before I start, I want to say that it's not the only way or the best way to draw realistic hair. It's just my technique how to draw realistic hair. Also, my English isn't perfect, but I try to explain the best way I can. So let's begin. For the first layer I'm using a B pencil. After that I'm using a 3B pencil for the midtones. In between I'm using a tissue to blend and a pencil eraser to get the highlights back. After my 3B pencil I'm using a 6B pencil for the darker tones. When drawing hair, I pay attention to the direction of the hair. You can use a reference to see that. Also, when using a reference, it's easy to see where the shadows are and the highlights. Here I'm using a 0.3mm mechanical pencil. It's easy for making very thin lines or very small details. For the really dark tones I'm using an 8B pencil and also a black pencil like you can see here. This black pencil is called Cretacolor Nero extrasoft. For the other section of the hair I'm using the same technique as the first part. So I'm starting with a B pencil, then a 3B pencil, 6B pencil and a black pencil. And in between I'm blending with the tissue and I'm getting my highlights back with a pencil eraser. For blending small areas I'm using a cotton tip. You can see that here in this part of the video. For keeping your paper clean, like after using a pencil eraser, I use a big makeup brush. I don't recommend blowing or using your hand because it can really damage your paper and ruin your drawing. Drawing realistic hair takes a lot of time. Yeah, it's all about building up layers and getting the contrast right, and well, that takes a lot of time. So don't forget to take a break. finished, and how to draw the skin and the clothing is not part on this video. I will show you that in another tutorial. I hope this tutorial helped you with drawing realistic hair. Please give it a like and yeah, give it a comment about how you like this video and if you have any tips of making it, because it really was my first time. Thanks for watching. Bye!